Welcome to the 2025 Global CMT Research Convention. This is our 5th annual gathering. My name is Laura MacNeill, and I serve as the CEO of the CMT Research Foundation. I am honored to welcome everyone, those who are returning and those that are joining us for the first time, and I am deeply grateful for your commitment and energy throughout the weekend. Fresh thinking and creative energy are what fuels progress. CMT research demands both. Incredibly, we have now reached a new era. There are clinical trials underway for CMT, a milestone this foundation, together with you, helped to achieve. Our mission is straightforward: fund outstanding research and raise every dollar needed so that CMT science moves forward. Since inception, CMTRF has funded 31 research projects. Our selection is based on a unique promise for high impact, and we are now evaluating bold projects that span every form of CMT. But this movement is powered entirely by individuals, patients, families, friends. There are no government funding, just this remarkable, small but mighty community. I want to take a moment to share a bit of my own story. I am not just the CEO, I am also a CMT patient. My journey has been both professional and deeply personal. It was exactly 1 year ago in this very room that I found the courage to face my family's long history with CMT. Like so many here, I had questions about my symptoms and my future. Receiving a diagnosis of CMT was both daunting and empowering, and it grounds my urgency and hope for this foundation's work. This convention is a special opportunity for scientists to connect directly with patients, including myself. These conversations have the power to inspire the next headline-making breakthrough. I urge you to talk to each other and connect. Your insights can shape the future of CMT research. And for those of you that are online, you are important collaborators too. Researcher Rob Pryor will be fielding your questions through the Zoom Q&A. So join the conversation at any time. And now it's my great pleasure to introduce Meg Drummond, our VP of Research and Drug Development.
Thank you, Laura, and thank you to everyone who is spending their time here over the next couple of days with us. As Laura said, my name is Megan Drummond, or Meg Drummond, and I'm VP of Research and Drug Development here at the CMTRF. I'm fairly new to this organization, and I'm actually fairly new to the field of CMT as well, though my background in human genetics and sensory neuroscience shares a lot of adjacencies with CMT. A little over 10 years ago, I transitioned to industry because I wanted to see the science that I was doing have a more tangible impact on a patient life. After 10 years at Regeneron and building our auditory therapeutics program, I led the team of cross-functional scientists who brought our very first gene therapy into the clinic for a rare form of auditory neuropathy for otopharyngeal deficiency. This is a type of hearing loss that manifests in children. They're born deaf and will have cochlear implants for the rest of their life. I can't really even put into words the amount of gratification that it is to see the impact of your science translated and having that changing another person's life. I had the privilege of seeing the very first patient dosed in the US. I did not get to meet the family because of ethical reasons, but I saw them through the waiting room, and I also got to see the results of that child's hearing test 6 weeks after they had received the first dose of the gene therapy, and it brought tears to my eyes. And so that's why I'm here, because I want to take that feeling that I've had, and now I want to apply it to the field of CMT research and have everybody in this room have that same sense of gratification of seeing your research directly translated into having that human impact. So over the next couple of days, we're going to be hearing from top-notch scientists presenting their work on how we're overcoming hurdles of CMT research and drug development. The CMTRF is always open to ideas, and we like to foster an open and inclusive dialogue of ideas. All of our direct contact information is on our website,